It's pretty chilly. The minute I got back from my walk, I put on a sweatshirt and my beanie because I swear it's just as cold inside as it is out. And I'm just putting away my bed instead of making it because yes, I do sleep on the floor and that is a topic for another video. I also go ahead and put away all of the dishes that are dry from the dish rack and just make sure that everything goes back in its place. Then I'm turning on the kettle to heat up some water. And just adding some hot water with some lime that I had left over from dinner yesterday. I'm also gonna make myself a smoothie. I like to make a green smoothie, so I'll actually go ahead and blend all of the greens with some filtered water, and then add frozen bananas and any other toppings I want to add. Good morning, you guys. I'm finally feeling a little awake to actually chat with you today. I am now sitting at my little dining room nook area. I got my very green juice, or green smoothie, with me. I'm about to start my little reflection time, where I go through everything that I need to get done today, as well as I journal and I express gratitude, and then I read a chapter from this book, which is Peace is Every Step by Thich Nhat Hanh. It's kind of part of my little mindfulness series. If you guys don't remember, that's what we started the Now Project in, mindfulness. So I've been trying to continue it with reading a passage from here and just kind of meditating on it after my little breakfast time. So if you remember, at the beginning of the month, I said, I have challenged myself to meditate for all 30 days of this challenge. And I've been doing pretty well. I've actually been meditating most days, even if it's just for 2 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. So that was a 7-minute meditation, and now I'm gonna get ready. We'll see if this outfit is warm enough for today. I'm gonna wash my hair, and I'm gonna be using a shampoo bar. It's a little melted, but it still works. I'm also gonna rinse with some apple cider vinegar that's diluted with warm water, and my bar soap, and just my safety razor. I added leggings to see if it would be warmer, and then I'm gonna do the little bit of makeup that I do wear, which is I define my brows and I curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna add my earrings. I use a crystal deodorant because you guys always ask, and I'm gonna use some lotion from my friend Stevie Ye, who makes these, just because it's extra dry and a little bit goes a long way with this. You guys are always so curious if I use toilet paper or not. I do use toilet paper. I use toilet paper from a company called, I'll link it down below. Just like making my bed, if I have a clean sink, then I have succeeded the morning. So I clean my sink with baking soda, and then I'm actually just gonna use the lime that I used for the tea earlier and just scrub my sink clean and then rinse everything off and dry it, and it's so beautiful. Having a clean sink motivates me to cook more, to not leave a dirty dish in the sink, etc. So it's a big win for me in the morning. It's already past 9, but filming took a little bit longer than normal. Typically, this is where I would sit and read my book of the week, but I did that earlier so that I'd have more sunshine to film the other stuff. And then I would sit on my phone and I would check the social medias and the internet web. I highly recommend not checking your phone before a certain hour and making it a priority. Sometimes, I will be honest, it is so tempting and I hear things vibrating and I hear noises that I'm like, oh yeah, I'll check it. And then I go down the rabbit hole and I spend the next hour like, I hope this was interesting to you. I try to keep my morning routine very like flowy and minimalist and not as like, this is what you do and this is what you do, just because I find that that's what works for me. But if you want to learn how to make your own morning routine, you should check out the video from yesterday about how to create a morning routine that you'll actually use. For now, don't forget to live sustainably and consciously, and I will see you tomorrow.